Hello everyone. I, Professor V.G. Hirapachi, Department of Mathematics, KLS Gokti PU College, Belgaum. I would like to extend my heartiest welcome to you all on the beginning of the new academic year 2020-21. Let me first congratulate to those who attained high grades in SSLC examination. Hope you all are fit and fine. We know that due to the corona pandemic, the whole country is struggling with school, colleges and lack of education. As we all know that beginning of something new is always amazing and we all feel the same. Here I am talking about the new academic session. A next chapter of your life means letter of undertaking of challenges, and it depends on you that how you make the strategy to overcome the challenges. Being a teacher, I strongly feel that each child is different and unique, and this is the place where a proper shape is given to you to your future. To the students, I must say that do not regret on your past, learn from that, and we can start the next chapter of our life. If we keep reading the last one, do not compare yourself to anyone, because everybody is unique. We cannot be good in everything. Compete with yourself, learn from your mistakes, and try to do your best. KLS Gokte College of Science has started giving online classes to continue your study. Now it is easy to make connection with your all, and this will help you to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. We will love to see your individual talents and strength and watching you grow during education. I will stream tutorial videos on YouTube. If you have any queries, you can ask in YouTube chat or you can WhatsApp. I will answer your questions. Dear students, this is the syllabus and blueprint for the question paper of PUC 1 Mathematics. Our this year's syllabus question paper contains total 100 marks. Time allotted for the paper is 3 hours 15 minutes. This table consists of different units. Under different units we have the different chapters with total weightage of marks to the given chapters. Let me begin with the first unit called Sets and Functions. Under this unit we have the first chapter called Sets, Relation and Functions. Dear students, this chapter Sets carries for 6 marks. Relation and functions carries 9 marks. Then we have trigonometric functions. It carries for 18 marks. In total, the first unit carries for 33 marks. Moving to the next unit called Algebra. In this unit, we have the few more chapters like Principle of Mathematical Induction carries for 5 marks. Complex number and quadratic equations, it carries for 10 marks. Linear inequalities carries for 6 marks. Permutation and combination carries for 10 marks. Binomial theorem carries for 7 marks. And sequence and series, it carries for 11 marks. Therefore, the second unit contains or the total weightage for the second unit is for 49 marks. My dear students, if you study the first 2 units, you can score more than 70 marks in the examination. Dear students, moving to the next unit called Coordinate Geometry. In this unit, we have the 3 different chapters like straight line, which carries for 14 marks, conic section, which is carries for 9 marks, introduction to the 3-dimensional geometry for 8 marks. In total, this unit consists of or containing 31 marks. We have the another unit called calculus. This unit consists only one chapter called limits and derivatives. This chapter is very important for the PUC second year syllabus and it carries 17 marks for this year's syllabus. Unit number 5, mathematical reasoning, is a very small topic. It carries for 6 marks. Then the last chapter, or you can say the unit, statistics. In this we have the 2 chapters called statistics and probability. Statistics carries for 6 marks and probability carries for 3 marks. Dear students, we have the total 15 chapters and 6 units. Our paper will containing of total 145 marks. Out of this, our maximum attempt in the examination is 100. Dear students, in this situation, there is a discussion about the syllabus. Near about 40% of the syllabus is going to be deducted. Right now we do not know which topics are going to be cut. That's why I have given this chart to know the topics or the units in this year's syllabus. Please follow this table so that you can familiar with the topics and we can start in the next class. My dear students, my suggestion to you all is maintain one 200 pages notebook to write the notes on the topics which we are going to start in the next class. Dear students, here I have given some prescribed textbook for PUC 1. NCERT Mathematics government textbook, which is very important. Academic, most of the questions are expected from this textbook in the examination. Apart from this, we have the reference books like Senior Secondary School Mathematics by R.S. Agarwal and R.D. Sharma, a textbook of Mathematics Himalaya publication by G.K. Ranganath, Mathematics for PUC 1 Jivit publications by G.M. Ganacharya and Sujata S. Apart from all these books, we have S. Chand publication book. I will be highly recommend you to refer these books for better understanding so that your subject will be healthy to write in the examination. My dear students, success has no shortcut, so be responsible, be sincere and be creative. I wish that the year 2020 will be the brightest year of your life. Good luck. I hope to see you soon in actual class. Dear students, I am going to start the first topic or from the first unit called sets. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.